Kapag buffet, automatic seafoods talaga hinahanap ko. And one of my favorite buffets here in the Philippines is Food Club Manila Buffet. I'm so happy they're expanding. This time, they opened a new branch in Festival Mall, Alabang, and I was invited to try it. Watch this video to see what this new branch has to offer. It's been years since I last visited Festival Mall in Alabang. The Festival Mall I remember was dark, old, and I'm so glad they renovated. It looks fresh, modern, and inviting now. This is Food Club Manila in Festival Mall, located at the second floor. This is the entrance from the garden. I've been to Food Club Manila Buffet in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, and this branch is way bigger. They can accommodate more people here. That's why even though there are a lot of people, it's not that crazy. In my first experience, it's more peaceful dining here. And I really enjoyed all the food that I tried that day. Since it's new, I like the ambience. It's fresh, it's clean, spacious. I hope they can maintain it this way. The process of letting people in is quite organized too. You can do walk-in, but if you're planning to visit on a busy day like weekends or Friday, I suggest that you call for reservation to secure your spot. There's also an entrance inside the mall. This is the lobby. But I think to make things organized, you have to register and enter at the entrance on the other side first. I like this area. It's so nice. People sit here and relax after a very filling buffet. They offer over 100 dishes from Japanese, Chinese, Filipino, and more. I love their Japanese selections. There's tempura, maki, sushi, and salmon. I love their fried maki, by the way. It's different. Their tempura is just okay for me, but it's nice to try. Everybody is lining up for this. There's also a salad station. This is where you can get ready-made salads, fruits, or you can also make your own. They have different dressings and vegetables to choose from. This is their make your own nacho station. There's tacos, nachos, cabbages, meats, and cheeses. If you have a kid with you, I'm sure they will love this. Food Club Manila has a lot of dessert choices too. However, I don't like eating much sweets in a buffet. I honestly only tried the palitaw here, which is my fave. Here are some more food in the Japanese section. There's miso soup, meats, vegetables, shrimps, and seafoods. May fried chicken din. Honestly, since bago pa sila, there's no label in the food yet. So I don't know some of the name of the dishes too. Yummy nga pala yung mga fried rice dito sa Food Club Manila. Drink options, may beer, sodas. Nakakatawa yung mga big group, they just get the litro and bring it to their table. There's a DIY halo-halo section. Meron pa silang pa-fountain, white chocolate, and milk chocolate. Sayang hindi nakasama yung daughter ko. I'm sure she would love this section. So many dessert options. Hindi mo na matatry lahat. Ang ginagawa ko, I get a little of something interesting sa akin. Then, binabalikan ko na lang pag nagustuhan ko. That way, hindi ako mabilis mabubusog and mas marami ako matatry. Ang dami ding dim sum selections. Ang kinain ko dito is yung chicken feet. Favorite ko kasi. Dito parati nagkakagulo yung mga tao. Filipinos really love lechon kawali, lechon, anything na flavorful and crunchy yung balat. Patok na patok sa ating mga Pinoy. Malambot and malasa yung mga meats dito sa Food Club Manila Buffet. I'm sure you'll love this if you like this kind of foods. I love that there's another drink section on the other side so you don't have to walk from end to end just to get a drink. Marami ding options dito ang kids. There's pizza, french fries, other flavored fried potatoes, meron pang hot dogs. Ang pinaka-winner sa akin dito sa Food Club Manila Buffet is their Chinese dish selections. They specialize in Chinese cuisine. Chinese chef pa yung nagli-lead sa kanila, kaya legit. iba-ibang klase. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung mga tawag sa mga na-try ko. They're sweet and sour. May mga pasta din like carbonara, red tomato pasta. Ang winner sa akin talaga dito is yung mga vegetables nila. Look how fresh it is. Medyo halo-halo na katabi ng steak. May mashed potatoes. I take videos kasi dun sa mga parts na wala masyadong tao. If you watch my vlogs, you know I love seafoods. Kaya I loaded up on their shrimps, tahong, and my favorite, yang chow fried rice. Ang sarap ng yang chow nila dito, legit. Better than some Chinese restaurants, kaya sulit na sulit to. Isipin mo, for almost 700 pesos, only na. May mga seafoods pa, like salmon, shrimps, tahong. If you buy that in a restaurant separately, baka isang dish pa lang yun or dalawa. I don't usually eat ampalaya, but this one, yung beef with ampalaya nila, I was able to eat it. Ang sarap, ang lambot ng beef. And winner talaga yung mga veggies dito, ang crunchy, ang fresh. I didn't try the pancit anymore kasi whenever I eat in a buffet, I try to avoid carbs para hindi ako masyadong mabusog. Winner din yung hot pot dito, ang daming choices ng ingredients. Pati yung meats nila kompleto from beef, pork, chicken, seafoods, balls, everything kompleto. Sarap na sarap nga pala ako dito sa fried wonton nila. Ang sarap papakin. Wow, naalala ko may buchi nga pala. Favorite ko to, pero hindi ko na-try. As in, sobrang busog na ako. Hindi na ako makalakad, kaya I stopped eating na. Siyempre, hindi ko rin pinalampas ang dim sums, lechon kawale, at yung dessert station. Winner din. I tried yung ice cream, tapos tinry ko rin yung chocolate fountain nila. Busog, happy, and super satisfied ako after. I can't wait to come back and bring my whole family to Food Club Manila Festival Mall, Alabang. Sobrang nag-enjoy sila before dun sa Ayala Malls Manila Bay branch, and I'm sure magugustuhan din nila itong branch na to. They have an ongoing opening promo until August. Check their socials for updates, kaya sulit na tong promo na to. Perfect time para makapag-try ka na ng Food Club Manila Bay. I hope you enjoyed this Foodgasm video. If you want to be updated for more food in the Philippines, hit the subscribe button for more food and travel videos. I am Kim Rodriguez, a Filipino foodie. Till my next video, bye!